Every process begins with the arrival of pure ingredients. They are safely received and verified, ready for production. Our process begins with pure water. It undergoes rigorous multi-stage filtration. UV light eliminates any remaining impurities. Experience the peak of automation. Purity is guaranteed. Precision in every drop, tested to the highest standards.
Inside this state-of-the-art facility, automation drives precision. Pure sugar is dissolved in massive stainless.
Great precision is required here. Clean syrup is heated. Sensors track every degree. Precision is the heart of our process. Here, the syrup is blended. It must be perfectly uniform. Welcome to the future of beverage production, where precision meets pure efficiency. Every drop is perfectly controlled. Welcome to the future of beverage production, where precision meets pure efficiency. Every drop is perfectly controlled. Welcome to the future of beverage production. Here, precision and hygiene are paramount. Every step, operating at incredibly high speeds, it ensures flawless production. Welcome to the future of beverage production. Precision and hygiene are our top priorities. Every bottle is automatically checked. Welcome to the peak of automation. Here, every bottle is purified. Welcome to the front line of advanced beverage production, where precision robotics and pure speed meet, setting a brand new standard in sealed. Precision defines our process. Welcome to the peak of modern beverage production. Advanced robotics blend pure ingredients perfectly, delivering refreshing quality. Modern automation ensures absolute precision. Every batch is tracked with advanced laser coating. This is the future of every hour. Thousands of bottles are precisely filled. Modern automation ensures absolute precision and quality.
Every bottle is tracked with absolute precision. Vision systems inspect fill levels and cap alignment. Advanced automation guarantees safety.
Welcome to the future of beverage production, where precision meets absolute purity. Every anomaly is instantly at peak efficiency. Every bottle is filled. Each unit must pass a strict inspection. Smart automation takes care. Welcome to the future of beverage production, where precision meets pure scale. Witness the peak of modern engineering.